Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Cynsational Locs. In today's video, I'm going to transform my plain everyday locks into some sassy curly locks for y'all, and you know, just take it up to a whole nother level. And I'm gonna do it for the super cheap. So let's hop right into this, y'all. We need to go ahead and prep the hair. As you can see, I'm just spraying it down. I have distilled water in my spray bottle. You know, I don't use that tap water. It's better for your hair. And then I got some Jamaican black castor oil. Make sure that my roots and my scalp is well moisturized, because these is gonna be up for at least a week. That's the goal. So going ahead and sectioning my hair. I ended up with 6 large sections. And now the game changer, y'all. Just like, everybody's up on pipe cleaner curls, flexi rods, but what about these straws though? Like, I have 180 straws I got from the Dollar Tree for $1. So I'm all about saving that coin. You could go to the Dollar Tree, get you 180 straws for $1. And as you guys can see, I am using 1 straw per lock. And I want y'all to guess, like, how many locks do you think I have? I got 180 straws. How many straws do you think I used? 1 lock per straw. Let me know in the comments down below. I will tell y'all this. It was tedious. I'll just let you know I have over 90 locks for sure. Make sure you stay hydrated, folks. Your hair and your body. Another thing I want to note about the straws is that they are, you know, shallow or hollow. So when you are trying to get them to stick in, and roll the lock to them, you might like start to smash in because there's no space in between it. Like, you have that support, that density with the flex rod. You don't have that with the straw, so it does take you a little bit longer to actually get the lock to roll around it, but the results are just so bomb, and it cost me $1, so it's definitely worth it. Put them lips together. I thought I was a little chapped. And now I got my last one. To actually get all of my locks up into the straws, it took me about 2 hours and 15 minutes. And I was just chilling the whole time, just watching Orange is the New Black. Have y'all caught up on that yet? I'm still watching it, so no spoilers. Alright. And once I get all of them rolled up into the straws, I'm ready for bed because I did this late at night. And I did just go ahead and wrap this with a big scarf that I have. I wasn't able to fit my bonnet over the straws. And here we are the next day. I'm ready to take it down. Of course, I slept in it overnight. They were uncomfortable. Yeah, for sure. But it's definitely worth it because I've done this before and I already know that the curls are going to last me. They can last as long as I want them to, as long as I don't get my hair wet. And I don't know about you or you guys, because different types of texture is going to react differently, but for me, my hair holds curls really well, and it did when I was loose natural, and even when I had, you know, my creamy crack. So that's my advantage. And I'm going to keep these in. I'm telling y'all, This is gonna last me a week, and I'll show you guys, you know, all the different styles I'm able to create as it drops. If you guys want to see that, I'll put it together in another video for y'all. So excited. Look at all of that bounce. Like, they are super stretchy. It's like a slingy, and that's why they're gonna last so long. Finally, the last one. Takedown was maybe about 25 minutes or so, and that was just because I kept stopping to admire how beautiful they came out. Hey, look at that, y'all. Shirley Temple curls for sure. Really, really tight, but over this week span, they're gonna drop, and I'm gonna be able to do so much with them. I'm gonna play with it now and style it and just kind of set them in the way that I want to wear it and frame my face for the day. But really, this is it. I'm sharing some pictures on how I styled it for the day, and really, I'm just in love. It came out great. Let me know what y'all think in the comments below, and if you're gonna try this, let me know. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any updates.